So, Daddy's going to put it in your mouth and you're going to tell us what it is.
Grape.
Sorry, could you speak louder? What is it?
Grape.
You think it's a grape?
Yeah.
Okay. Next thing.
Oh, this one's easy.
Huh. Sausage.
Sausage. Okay, next.
What? I'm chewing.
Oh, I know which one this is.
What's that?
Apple.
I definitely
Okay,
know
this is the last one. Wait, no, is this the last one?
No, there's still this one.
Okay.
Oh,
What's that?
lemon.
He's not gonna
This,
guess.
Jude, you'll like this
He's
one.
not gonna guess this one.
Bread.
Bread. All right, Jude got 4 out of 5 right. Jude, the only one you missed was a blueberry. You said it was a grape, but it was actually a blueberry.
Ow.
Good job. All right.